Every human life begins with a single microscopic moment. From the meeting of a sperm and an egg, an incredible journey begins. This is the beginning of life. Step 1. Millions of sperm begin their race through the female reproductive system. They must push against fluid currents to continue the journey. The strongest swimmers reach the uterus. Most sperm will not survive the journey. Only a few reach the narrow pathway leading to the egg. Waiting here is a single human egg cell. Several sperm reach the egg and begin their final attempt. But then, only one sperm will succeed. At this moment, a brand new human genetic code is formed. Stage 2: early development. The fertilized cell immediately begins dividing. 2 cells quickly become 4. The tiny cluster of cells continues multiplying. A hollow structure known as a blastocyst begins to form. The blastocyst travels toward the uterus. It attaches itself to the uterine wall. This process is called implantation. Early embryo formation. The embryo is only a few millimeters long. Soon, a primitive heart begins beating for the first time. Cells divide rapidly as the body's blueprint begins to unfold. The early brain and nervous system start to develop. Small limb buds appear, the earliest signs of future arms and legs. Stage 3: transition to fetus. This process marks an important milestone in human development. Around the 8th week, the embryo has formed the basic structures of the body, and from this point forward, it is known as a fetus. By the end of the 8th week, the embryo is now called a fetus. The placenta now supplies oxygen and nutrients. Protected by amniotic fluid, the fetus continues growing. The fetus begins making small movements inside the tiny body. Organs continue forming and maturing. Over the months, the baby grows stronger and larger. The baby can now sense sounds and movements. By the final months, the baby is almost ready to enter the world. The final stage is labor. Labor is the final stage of pregnancy, when the mother's body works to guide the baby into the world after months of development. The mother's body begins labor. Contractions gradually open the cervix and guide the baby downward through the birth canal. With each powerful movement, the baby moves closer to the outside world. At the final moment, doctors assist as the newborn finally arrives. Within seconds, the baby takes its first breath, marking the end of an incredible journey, the beginning of a new human life. The beginning of life is one of nature's most extraordinary processes. A journey of growth, resilience, and new beginnings together with powerful contractions.